In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Favicon not showing on Wix website. A favicon is the small icon that appears in your browser tab and bookmarks next to your site title. If it's missing or outdated, your brand can look inconsistent, so let's get it showing correctly. Start by opening Wix Studio and heading to your site's dashboard. From there, click Settings. In the Settings area, use the search bar at the top and type Favicon. In the results, select the option that mentions the icon next to your site title in the browser and bookmarks. This opens your site's Favicon settings page. Here, you'll see a preview of your current Favicon. If nothing is showing or if the wrong image appears, don't worry. Click Upload Image to replace it. If you have the file on your computer, choose Upload Media and select your Favicon image. If you don't have a file handy, you can also pick one by choosing Media from Wix and browsing available graphics that suit your brand. Before finalizing, make sure you're using the correct size and format. A square image is essential, and simple designs work best at tiny sizes. Common formats like PNG, JPG, or ICO are supported, but a 32 by 32 or 48 by 48 PNG with a transparent background typically looks the cleanest in most browsers. Avoid overly detailed images or small text, as they can blur when scaled down. After you select the image, confirm your choice so it appears in the preview. If you see the new icon there, you're on the right track. Now return to your site and republish. Republishing ensures the updated favicon is included in your live site files. A few helpful tips if you still don't see the change right away. Browsers often cache favicons aggressively. Try a hard refresh, open your site in a private or incognito window, or check from a different browser or device. Sometimes it can take a little while for the new icon to show everywhere, so give it a bit of time if needed. Also, make sure you're working in the correct site if you manage multiple sites, and verify that the file you uploaded is the one selected as the favicon in the preview. That's it. By searching for favicon in settings, uploading or selecting a properly sized image, and republishing your site, you'll resolve the favicon not showing issue and keep your branding consistent across tabs and bookmarks.